Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this video, I will guide you on how to uninstall Block Blast app. So if you also want to uninstall Block Blast app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So uninstalling Block Blast application is very simple. There is basically two ways through which you can do it. The first way is to open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for Block Blast. You can see over here Block Blast application will appear. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you'll be able to find two options, uninstall and play. If you want to uninstall the application, all you have to do is tap on the uninstall option that you can see right over here. Or you can also go to the app library on your device. Find the application for Block Blast. Long press on it. Here you'll be able to find the option for app info. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. Here you can see several options. Find the option for uninstall. Tap on it. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Do you want to uninstall this app? Simply tap on the OK option. After that, Block Blast application will be uninstalled. So that is how you uninstall Block Blast app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.